Before you decide what your home is worth, you need to see what actually sold in Windsor-Essex this December, and which home styles are still commanding top prices. Today, I'm breaking down real numbers, real sales, and what this means if you're thinking about selling anywhere in Windsor-Essex. Hi, I'm Linda Hakr with Jump Realty. Every month, I analyze Windsor-Essex real estate data so local homeowners understand what's really happening, not headlines and not guesses. Let's take a look at December. Across Windsor-Essex County in December, just over 300 homes sold. The average sale price was $520,098, with the median sale price of $470,000. Inventory increased compared to last year, giving buyers more choice. However, homes that were priced properly still sold, many at or near asking price. The average home took about 27 days to sell, showing this is not a slow market, but a more selective one. Now, this is the part sellers really need to pay attention to, because December made it very clear that home styles directly impacted price. Here are the exact average sale prices by home style across Windsor-Essex in December. Okay, so bungalows, they remain one of the most in-demand styles, especially with downsizers and retirees. The average sale price for a bungalow was $449,593. Ranch and one-story homes also performed very well, particularly when updated. The average sale price for a ranch-style home was $521,751. Raised ranch continued to be one of the strongest performing styles in the market. In December, the average sale price for a raised ranch was $629,654. Now, two-story homes sat at the higher end of the pricing spectrum. The average sale price for two-story homes was $721,482. One-and-a-half-story homes offered a more affordable option for buyers. The average sale price for this style was $400,609. Townhomes were more price sensitive and moved at a slower pace. The average sale price for a townhome was $467,908. Apartments and condos, they attracted budget-conscious buyers. The average sale price for a condo was $390,291. What this shows us is that two homes in the same neighborhood can differ in value by hundreds of thousands of dollars, simply because of a home style and buyer demand. Comment below and tell me what type of home you own: bungalow, raised ranch, two-story, townhome, or a condo. I read every comment and it helps me tailor future market updates to see what you actually want to see. Another important point for sellers: pricing. Today is no longer based on what your neighbor sold for 2 years ago. Buyers are comparing homes online by layout, condition, and style. Homes that are priced accurately are selling. Homes that are not are sitting. Leamington and Kingsville behave slightly differently than the rest of Windsor-Essex, which is why I've created separate market updates specifically for those areas. Pricing, demand, and buyer profiles are not the same, and sellers need to understand those differences. If you want to know your specific home style, what it sold for in December, whether it's a bungalow, a raised ranch, or a two-story, reach out. I'm happy to break it down for you and for your neighborhood and for the property. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for the monthly Windsor-Essex market updates.